Alright. Part of the game. Oh no. If you have not taken that chance to drop a subscribe, drop some likes, drop some comments, everything helps, guys. I appreciate everything. Now back to the video.
Right, we recording? Oh yeah, we're recording. Alright guys. We are out in, I don't know, like Dornsife or Rebuck, PA. And we better go for a little night ride. A little sunset joint. We got Blum on the C-Force. See our photo? I'm on the run. My shoulder hurts. What, do you get a new Dale got a new truck? It must be the farm truck or something. Oh, look,
I know.
yeah,
I just couldn't
on.
turn two on at once, so I just wanted to make sure.
We just got some fresh propane, guys. Yes, sir. Yeah. It's dark. I ain't know.
We could go gas now, baby.
Yeah, like I was saying, I'm going a little bit of night ride. I gotta get down a little slower than them because I got street tires on right now. Probably change them around to off-roads in the morning. If I ride, my shoulder's kind of still hurting pretty bad. Which way?
Oh, baby.
It is. Which way are we going? Oh, there's a car coming to the left.
Yeah, we follow that car. Let him clear past us and we go that way.
You wanna go this way? Like those houses and stuff, yeah?
Yeah, to the end to where we saw you.
Oh, I got you guys. Me? Yeah. I'm trying just not to like hurt my arm. Got some cows over this end. Woo! What's up, cows? Whoa! Big moves. What's going on? I'm black like you. Hey, don't worry about it. He'll get black soon. Left, I guess. Whoa, Sun just turned off. What's going on here? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what's going on here. All right, we're back. I don't know what that was. It just like turned off. That was weird. That was the first. Yeah, for real. Oh man, alright, let's get it. I'm already getting sketched out. I'm done. Up here, pop up here, pop up here. Yeah, come up to me, come up to me. Yeah. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me turn. Hold on, let me turn this light off too. And there's nothing out here. It's wild. Let me turn this light back on. I'm freaking out. Yo, I'm freaking out. Yo, blow 30 miles an hour. Rev it up some more, rev it up some more. Yeah. This is Blum sleeping inside. Alright, that's about it. It probably is. Riff again.
Yeah, I fucked this one up.
Take it down.
That's right. It's alright. It's still gonna cook, right?
My omelet's cooking up. Alright. They bailed on the grilled bacon, then they messing with this little SSR pit bake. Yeah, yo, Suzuki riding over here. That's what SSR stands for. Oh, you can lead the way. You lead the way. I had no idea. Do it. Let's get on that road real quick. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Fire department, that's fire department. Hopefully he's not turning this way. Yo, imagine he turns this way. Oh no, he's going straight. He's going straight. 60. Oh, I passed the crib. It like everything like hit my feet. I panicked. I panicked out.
My bad.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
You go first.
I feel like you're gonna phase out on us. Alright, I guess.
You want to bring it for this one? You need the phone. Hey, I mean, we'll know once we get down to the street. We'll go down the street, and if it phases out, then I'll saw that goes good.
Alright, for sure, for sure.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. Alright, now you're recording. Oh, shit. For phone calls, yeah. Oh! Keep it moving, bro. Oh! There we go. You're still recording too.
Alright, long story short, we are looking for Daryl's truck key. We looked everywhere, anywhere we can think of, every bag, every place in the couch, everything. But, again, long story short, I found it in Blumster's boot. Don't know how I got there. We just have no explanation. It was there. We found it, and we were good. Locksmith was not indeed needed.
I wasn't in the park that far.
Breakfast sausage going.
The glizzies.
Kept it up.
Breakfast glizzies.
Taking them home.
Ah.
Took a throw.
Lost the axle. Bolt. Sucks. No more riding.
Vibrated that shit right off.
Yeah, probably. Oh.
Got to be adjusted a little bit.
Gone.
He had a whole bag of like a decoy.
This is it right here. We out.
Yes, sir. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, like, and comment. Everything helps, guys. Got more content coming soon.